Yo, when I'm sleeping at night, I'm literally thinking, like I'm dreaming. How can I make my brothers look better? Because that's all I care about. I want you to look and feel better. And today, boys, we're going to do exactly that with 10 things you can do today that naturally will boost your appearance. If that sounds good, let's hop into it. Number 1, you got to start killing ants, boys. And no, I'm not talking about sacrificing those cute little ants for your appearance. I'm talking about sacrificing negative automatic thoughts or ants that creep up on you on a daily "you're ugly" basis.
You're a loser.
Who would date you?
You'll never amount to anything.
You're a waste of life. The hell? Get it? Negative thoughts flood your body with stress hormones, which just increases anxiety. Want to be top tier in your looks? You gotta remain cool. You gotta remain calm, collected, and know you're the man. And that, boys, that's just one of 10 hacks to make you look better. You already know. By the end of this video, I'm gonna have you looking like Zion Malik, bro. Bro, if I were you right now, I would subscribe to this channel. Like, subscribe, because this is what one video does. Imagine what 1 week of TMF videos will do. 1 month of TMF videos will do. Bro, you'll be a complete Brad Pitt when I'm done. Number 2, try dry brushing your teeth. This is just a natural way without any harsh chemicals to keep your teeth looking white. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your toothbrush and brush your teeth without any toothpaste for about 30 seconds. And then once you're done with that, rinse and then brush your teeth with actual toothpaste. According to studies, this is one of the most effective ways to remove plaque buildup at home without any products. And plaque buildup is what gives you that nasty yellow dark tint on your teeth. So if you want naturally white teeth, try this move out. Number 3, chew more gum. Gum does 2 great things. 1, it cleans your teeth right after every meal to ensure that you have fresh, clean breath and also a white smile. But 2, it's been proven to strengthen your jaw muscles as you chew constantly. If you do this every single day constantly with sugar-free gum, you're gonna strengthen these muscles and casually just have a stronger, sharper jaw that makes you look better. Number 4, take your vitamin. Guys, you are what you eat. There are so many supplements in food, like your omega-3s, your collagen, vitamin C, vitamin D, your garlic. There's just so many of them that help brighten your skin, better your hair, better your appearance. They're important. But the reality is that you and I probably don't have a balanced diet like it should be, which is why the bare minimum should be that you should be taking supplements and vitamins to supplement your diet and fill in those gaps where you're deficient on certain vitamins and minerals. This is why, boys, I've talked to you guys about our sponsor, Naturewise, and I love them because these guys make it easy. See, these guys deliver vitamins to your door every month, so you don't have to worry about it, and they have so many different vitamins from your just basic multivitamin that you should be taking every day to a bunch of others that help your body perform better and look better naturally. For example, collagen is just important for healthy tissues and cartilages. In other words, it just strengthens your bones. It's also a main player in maintaining healthy hair and healthy skin. And this right here is why Naturewise is one of my favorite one-stop shop for vitamins. With a large selection of vitamins, you guys can click the link down below, go through their site and see everything that they have to offer and build a personal supplement stack for yourself that you can take regularly to fill in those gaps and make sure you're looking your best and feeling your best. The best part is that all their products are manufactured here in the USA under strict standards of compliance. You're getting top of the line vitamins, top quality stuff to ensure you're getting what you need. And the best part is that if you guys click the link down below right now and check them out, you're gonna get your first bottle of collagen completely free. That's on me, bro, to make sure you look better. So what are you doing for? Click the link down below, check them out, get your free bottle free, and start feeling better. Number 5, I'm gonna need you to unplug. Every time you go into a room, you probably are looking down on your phone connected or any social gathering. I'm gonna need you to unplug for a bit because you see, eye contact is one of the best and strongest ways to better your appearance. If you have strong, confident eye contact, anybody you talk to, you're gonna look better in their eyes to them. I need you to stop being connected to your phone and unplug for a bit and start connecting with people. Start giving more eye contact. That'll make you look better. Number 6, avoid aggressive products. Formaldehyde, alcohol, synthetic fragrances, parabens, sodium sulfate. It looks like I'm about to build a bomb, right? Yeah, those ingredients are in most of your beauty products, whether it's hair products, face products, or body products. A lot of cheap products have these crazy ingredients that are damaging to your skin and are too harmful. These are just 5 or 6 of the ones you want to avoid. When you buy a product, make sure it's natural. And the least you can do is look at the ingredient label to make sure it doesn't have any of these, because this could damage your hair and your skin. Number 7, boost your testosterone. Testosterone in men is just linked to your energy, to your drive, to your masculinity, to your deep voice, to your muscle mass. So of course you want to boost your testosterone. Now, the best way to increase it is through obviously working out and eating better. But another simpler hack you can do is start taking a vitamin D supplement. This is a very popular supplement since many Americans are deficient in vitamin D, and there's various studies that talk about the benefits of vitamin D, including possibly boosting your testosterone. Number 8, reduce bloatiness. A lot of us from eating too much salt, drinking too much alcohol, being really tired, not hydrating enough, end up bloated. In other words, that's just your body retaining water, making you look bigger around your waist and your face area, which of course reduces your appearance. What you want to do, boys, is cut down on the bloatiness. So obviously, doing those 4 things will do just that. Sleeping more, cut the alcohol, cut the sodium, and most importantly, drink water like crazy. Which takes us on to number 9, sleep better. You don't just want to sleep more, you want to sleep great. And that all starts with your pillow. See, I want you to go to your room, grab your pillow. You got it? I want you to do a simple test. Grab it and fold it in half. Does it bounce right back up to its original shape? If so, you're good to go. You're sleeping right. A-okay by Jose's terms. But if it lays flat there like a soggy potato chip and it doesn't bounce back, it's time to switch that pillow. It's lost its resistance and it's not properly supporting your head and neck adequately through the night. And finally, number 10, find colors that work with your skin type. I want you to go to natural light outside and check the appearance of your veins. We all got veins, right? Do your veins have like a purplish blue type of color? If so, you have a cool skin undertone. However, if your veins have a more blue-greenish / greenish color, then you have a warm skin undertone. Okay, so now that you know your undertone, I want you to look at the color wheel. If you are a cool undertone, I want you to wear all the colors on the right side of the color wheel. On the other hand, if you are a warm undertone, I want you to wear all the colors on the left side of the color wheel, because these will brighten up your skin and make it look its best. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Naturewise. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.